Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Rocket Apartamento espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to replace the water pump. This one you see right here. As you can see, this is from 2017, so it's already been working in the machine for quite some time. And we also had to replace the valves of the hot water and the steam valve. As you can see, the gasket of both of the valves is worn out. One of these was completely broken, and that was causing them to leak from here on the valve itself whenever you were using the hot water or the steam. So yeah, that's all what we did with this machine. We also did clean around it, polish it a little bit, and make sure it's pretty and ready. To start with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. Hopefully pick up the right grind settings of this machine. As you can see, it's getting nice steady stream, perfect. Manually stop it here. Nice espresso shot, 1.5 ounces. As you can see, extracted really well. Beautiful flow coming out of the group header. Steam temperature and steam pressure, as you can see, is nice and pretty. Also, there's no leaks coming out from the valve. Same with the hot water. No leaks, anything. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine. So there you have it, Rocket Apartamento working once again and ready to brew. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this day, and thanks for watching.